Good morning. I'm waiting for my designer. Not yet opened. So I'm getting bored. That's the reason I came to live. Hi to everyone. We really miss you, Chris. Really missed me? How much you missed me? My designer for car didn't yet came, and someone is opening this door. I wanna go. Hi, am I beautiful? Thank you. Rajshekar Kadali. Hey Shri Reddy, good morning. Morning. Happy Saturday morning. Yes. What are you doing this today? I have a date with my friend. I'm going to attend my date. Love you so much. How much you love me? Chris Harish Gaile. So much. बहुत खूबसूरत Muhammad Khalid. It's all about lipstick. It's all about kajal. It's all about makeup. Chichi, I didn't apply any makeup. I applied my lipstick and kajal. So some guy is watching me so crazy. What do you want? Nice nose ring, Asim Goel. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think I should move. Uday Kumar, hi Shri, good morning. You look so sweet and I don't know what is that expression. You are so beautiful. You are my dream girl. Yeah, you are dream girl. Then sleep, I will come. Then what about your real beauty? Are you beauty or not? As a human being, I'm a very good human being. Of course, I should appreciate myself that I'm a good human being. Long time you been live. Why so? Because I'm so busy. I wanted to keep myself busy. I love to be busy, or else you will get mad, huh? You are looking very cute, baby doll. Your eyes is looking pretty, very pretty today. So what I have to do is I have to rush into the designer store and I have to give my stuff and I will come back and I will keep live again. Are you okay with it? You guys okay with it? Where are you? In my car. Super lips. Eyes is sweet. Nose ring cute. Rajshekar Kadali. Thank you so much. I don't want to waste my diesel. Diesel became so costly. And I don't have money. Your smile super ready, Garu. Thank you, Krishna. I love Krishna Ni. Your heartbeat control. Not now. నా హార్ట్ బీట్ నువ్వు కంట్రోల్ చేస్తావా నేను నిన్ను కంట్రోల్ చేయాలా ugliest creation of God is Sri Reddy. Yogesh. Chilipi. Dongi. Where swag built? Hi madam, looking too cute, good energy, keep smiling. Hey guys, you people are waiting for my projects, right? Very soon. The best projects are in my pipeline. Harley, this is Sharath. I think you are Tollywood artist. Best of luck, future. Thank you. You call me Jan, Mizan Chaudhary. Pretty boy is passing. Nice. He's good. He's really handsome. Hello, Pakistan. Ibrahim Khan, thank you. Chalo, I have to leave. Please leave me. Please leave me. Please. ऐसा करे तो कैसा? Please. Leave me, I wanna leave. Designer is waiting for me. Overacting. What's going on outside? Hi, Ma Music channel lovers. Pawan Kalyan. अरे छोड़ दो ना प्लीज. Waiting for Patal Bhairavi show again from you, Sri Reddy. Nagendra Babu, thank you. ఇప్పుడు పాటల భైరవినైనా కొంచెం ఇంకా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ మోర్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ. వై ఆర్ యూ ఆల్ డ్రెస్ అ గ్రీన్? ఐఎమ్ eco friendly. I love green. Ooh, looking like red rose. Just now a guy passed with a, just now he went on the bike now. So sexy. ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటే ఎంతమంది కనిపిస్తున్నారో మంచి మంచి అబ్బాయిలు. ఇంకెక్కడ ఉంటారు మంచి మంచి అబ్బాయిలు? आंखों में तेरी. Good look, beautiful. You are one amazing person, cute. Yeah, in fact, watching you will never make us feel bored. Each and every time it feels as if the first time. Sachin. అసలు పూలు పట్టు కొట్టేస్తాను నేను. లవ్ యువర్ బూబ్సా? చిప్పి తప్పు, అలాంటివి మాట్లాడకూడదు బూత్లు. Too hot look. Very tough to handle, right? I'm very hot. Okay, can I meet you once in my lifespan? Pawan Kalyan. How can I tell you? How can I tell you? That depends upon your luck. You're looking dashing beauty queen. అరే నువ్వు తీయకపోతే ఈరోజు నా చేతిలో చచ్చిపోయారు. అరే సచ్చినోడా. అంకుల్ వస్తున్నాడు, నేను చూడను బాబా. When I see you, then if I feeling better because you're so cute and hot. When are you coming to America? Bittu. You book my tickets. You book my tickets, Ray. Right away I will. Hi, this is Sharath. Movies, fashion, our life. Fashion B or passion B, both. Super hot. Miss you, Dilip Kumar. What is the special today? Complete greenery. Because I love plants. Because I love green. And all of my Muslim fans likes green. So for them, not only for them, for everyone. In our flag also we have green. Green is a good color. It makes me so beautiful. Your nose been beautiful, huh? Take it, Ray. Take it. Yeah, I will book your tickets because I want to meet you for one time. You are pretty cool girl. If I talk with this kind of voice, people will die here who are there around me. I covered. It's okay. Your eyes shone like hangover. This uncle is... Babu, please. I wanna go. Your body structure is just awesome. Thank you. And నువ్వు నన్ను నిద్రపోనిచ్చాలా ఏవో శ్రీరెడ్డి నిన్ను అరే కృష్ణ చైతన్య ముక్కు మీద గుద్దాను అనుకో బడబడ బడబడబడమని వస్తుంది ఏమనుకున్నావు కిట్టుగా ఏ జస్ట్ పనియా టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ కాంప్లిమెంట్ నన్ను టెల్ బాహుబలి డైలాగ్ వన్స్ ఏం చెప్పను బాహుబలిలో ఏం డైలాగ్స్ ఉన్నాయబ్బా ఇది బాగమతి అడ్డా ఓ అది బాగమత సారీ गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स आपको हिंदी लिखने आती है ऑफ कोर्स लिखने को आती पढ़ने को आती थू ना हिंदी लो मट्टी बड़ा ची you are to apply green lipstick it shouldn't be other if love green I will apply I really don't have a green lipstick. If you have with me, just send me. I will apply on my lips. Okay? You have some beautiful, juicy looking lips. Why lips? Why? I have so many. I have so many. See? Why my lips? श्री रेड्डी हिंदी में बात करो ना क्या बात करूं मैं You ask me, I will. Nose ring bagle, do too big. Little smaller would be cute. Don't mind. I don't mind. This is my diamond nose ring, and this is my diamond earrings. This is my taste, and nobody don't have right to force me. But you are not forcing me. You are giving a suggestion. I will take it as a suggestion. But end of the day, I will do whatever I want. Your voice is good. Good or sexy? Morning, I will be... Oh, yeah, yo. These people are what? What are they doing? Morning, I'm in sexy mood, yeah. Just kidding. Of course, I always 24/7 I will be in the sexy mood only. Because I'm so lovely. I'm a generator. I will not turn off. You are looking like Arabian white horse. Really? Thank you. Your lips so big, huh? Not only lips, everything is big. Big heart too. I mean. Okay. I'm a bad girl. No, I can't find anything other than. If you can't find, you are a blind person. Come online at 12 o'clock night. That is my sleeping time. You should be because you are too lovely. Sanjeev Nair. Thank you. I know everything is big you. Chandra Reddy. Really? My slab also very big and very tight and very, what do you call? Bond. You want it? You nice girl and lovely person. Lovely person and sexy person too. Any quotes to inspire us? Practice makes man perfect. Why? Why not woman? You are looking so model, miss. I'm not model. I'm a middle class. I'm a middle class. Middle class people only, they can be very happy, you know. Are you cine actress? No, I'm sexy actress. Do you want to love with me? Sorry, uncle. I can't. In these days, uncles also looking so handsome and sexy. Seriously, I found few persons who are very handsome in my gym. Yeah, I know. You are completely attractive and stunning. I love you, dear. Happy all day. Still 14 Feb. तुम्हारा हॉट बिल्कुल अनजाना अनजानी की तरह लगता है. तुम्हारे हार्ट एंजेलिना जोली के. तेरा तेरा. Girls are also looking so hot. Look at them. Where are they? अरे नाइस ना. वो పోరి మా ఫ్యాన్స్ కి తోడా ఫేస్ చూపించచ్చు కదా. బొద్దుగా ఉన్న భలే ఉంది పిల్ల. పిటపిటలాడిపోతుంది. పెద్ద జాంకాయలా ఉంది. బలుపు. నోరు కుదురుగా ఉండదు. వెయిట్. చోటు దొరికింది. క్లాత్ ఉందా? नहीं मिले तो कैसा? कब मिलेगा? कब मिलेगा? ओके. हाँ? अभी नहीं, कल. इरफान है. So इरफान जी, इरफान है? नहीं है. ये साड़ी से पूरा हो गया, बट ब्लाउज पीसेस है. वो कट करने के बाद वो स्टिच होना. और एक साड़ी बाकी है आपके पास.
कौन सा? ये वो ब्लाउज पीस है ना?
हाँ, ब्लाउज पीसेस है. कट करने के बाद एक स्टिच चाहिए इधर. ओके. कितना साड़ीज है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके.
6 है?
हाँ.
तो किसमें बैक एंड रहेगा वो बताओ मेरे को.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
बैक एंड कौन सा रहेगा? जैसा ब्लाउज रहेगा ना.
हाँ.
हिंदी में
ब्लाउज ब्लाउजेस अलग चाहिए, साड़ीज अलग चाहिए. ओके. एक स्टिच चाहिए बीच में. ओके.
ठीक है.
मैं इवनिंग आती हूँ. ओके. श्री. This lady is looking at me, staring at me. I don't know why she's giving that kind of strange looks. That ladki eyes are so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, I need a AC. I need a AC, please. My papa gave me an old car. I need a new car. Papa, please give me a nice car now. I'm a very good driver, trust me. Once in a while it will happen. Papa, believe me, this time I won't do anything. Please, Papa, try to understand. Hey, you people tell him I'm a good driver bolke. I didn't do single act. I did, but nobody didn't hurt, na. My car got some scratches. That will happen with everyone. Chick chick. Chal re chal. Which car are you driving? Hyundai. Wait. Queen is coming. Why you people are not waiting? Huh? Amma. Appa. Now tell me. నాకు వచ్చి రాని హిందీ మాట్లాడేసి వాడిని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేసేసి కొంచెంసేపు నవ్వేసుకుని అలా డ్రైవ్ చేసేస్తున్నాను అన్నమాట. సరే, మరి డ్రైవింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మాట్లాడకూడదు కదా, ఫోన్లు మాట్లాడకూడదని పోలీస్ అంకుల్ చెప్పారు కదా, మరి అప్పుడు మాట్లాడకూడదు కదా. మరి పెట్టేనా ఫోను? పెట్టేనా? So hot, huh? Everyone is calling me hot. Sometimes I'm cool too. Come on, dude. Grow up. Hey, ఎవడ్రా హాంగ్ చేసేది? దిగానంటే దెబ్బలు పడతాయి. పో పాట వేసుకో అంట. వేసుకుందాం. I drive so crazy. You wanna try? Can I drive you? No, he's a very sweet person. Okay, there is no traffic here, so that we can talk. I love Andhra girls, Madurai Dhoni. Hey, thank you so much. I'm Telangana too, both. ప్లీజ్ చేంజ్ ది క్యాప్. ఏ నా క్యాప్ ఏం చేసింది? ఏం చేసింది నిన్ను? హా, ఏమనుకుంటున్నావు? నా క్యాప్ తీయమంటున్నావు? క్యాప్ కింద బోర్డుకుంటూ బయటపడిపోతే ఎవడు సమాధానం చెప్తాడు అంట. గో టు McDonald's drive-thru. I'm hungry. Huh? Really? Scarf is blocking our eyes. Don't block. Thank you. పద్ధతిగా ఉండాలి పిల్లలు. ఆడపిల్లలు అన్నాక పొద్దున్న లేస్తే ఎంతమంది చెప్తారు ఆడపిల్లలు అన్నాక పద్ధతిగా ఉండాలని? Hey, you know what? I'm gaining. See this? I'm getting it. Oh my god, someone stopped his car back of me, and exactly back of my ass. No, the cap is hot. No, Telangana language speak only Andhra language. No, Telangana language speak only Andhra. నువ్వేం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు? నీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా పుల్లారెడ్డి? కొంచెం నువ్వు ఆలోచించి మాట్లాడాలి అప్పుడప్పుడు. గ్రీన్ వేరింగ్ మీన్స్ లవ్ షాహిద్ అఫ్రిది, ఫార్మర్ కెప్టెన్ టీమ్ పాకిస్తాన్. ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు? అర్థం అవుతుందా? అంటే నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు అంటావా? నాకే అర్థం అయ్యి ఉండదు. బేసిక్లీ మీరందరూ చాలా ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, నేను పెద్ద డమ్. నౌ బోత్ ఐస్ ఆర్ బ్లాక్డ్. దట్స్ సాడ్. నో మెర్సీ విత్ స్కార్ఫ్. షో ఓకే, ఎక్కడికి పోతున్నారు? ఎక్కడికి పోవట్లా, వెళ్తున్నా. విజయ చంద్ర రాయల్. టేక్ ఆఫ్ ద స్కార్ఫ్, ఇట్స్ హైడింగ్ యువర్ బ్యూటీ. ఐశ్వర్య అయ్యర్. Don't cover your balls, huh? You. Show your romantic expression. Hello friend, how are you? Shaurav Das, thank you so much. I'm too good. And Madurai Dhoni, don't talk about my scarf. I will kill you guys. Huh? చంపేస్తాను. ఓకే. ఓ, యువర్ లిప్స్. లిక్ ఇట్. Yes, it's hiding your beauty. Thank you. It should. Answer me in English or Hindi. I can't understand your local language. Did you love Shahid Afridi? See, being a human being, I love everyone. If someone will hurt me, that time might be I will be angry. Till that date, I will love everyone. You look so pretty like my sister. Aha, Manju. Thank you. Remove the scarf. Excellent expression. Raj Prasad, thank you. Don't remove the scarf, it's good. Jinu Matthew, thank you Jinu. You are straight. Madurai Dhoni, yes I am. Oh, your eyes, can you remove your cap? Shri, please do not cover your beauty for God's sake. For God's sake, why are you dragging in between God? He is very much happy what he has. Okay, don't drag God in between. He is pretty much happy with the scarf. Are you a gym girl? Yes, I'm a gym girl, and I have good assets because of the gym. I got it through gym. Just now someone is doing something. That car is very sexy. See that Jaguar? Where is that Jaguar? To me and to all of you guys, right? Why God will do this? And Noor Alam, hi, good morning. Good, well, that you are very beautiful driving, but I don't know. He wrote so much. నా హృదయంలో నిద్రించే చెల్లి మణికుమార్ కలిశెట్టి, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Nice nose ring. Where is it? We have a huge language to describe the beauty, so you can tell me different words. Shri, always be active like this. Sanjeev Nair. I can't be. Sometimes people hurt me. You don't know how much they are hurting me. Bad. See this guy also. I need the Jaguar right away. Mama. Wow. Come on. Adi todala inkemanna. See his guys' thighs. So sexy thighs he has. Just wanted she be careful, friends. Huh? Your nose ring is nice. Thank you. Big lips. Yes, I have big lips. Yes, I have everything. Big. Your eyes is very pretty. More. Okay, relax. Says don't cry, baby. But you are very beauty. You are trying is not good. I will try. So many people. If they fall, it's okay. If they don't fall, I will cry again. Because I'm single, so I can try lot of people. If I found my soulmate, then I will stop. Put me on live with you, baby. No, thank you. I'm very much happy. I like your expression. You are no more a young baby to act like behave maturely. Sometimes I like to be like a kid. Of course, every day I'm behaving so mature, and sometimes because this is Saturday and also it's a weekend, I wanted to be like a kid. I wanted to be like a sexy girl. I wanted to be like anything. This is my wish and this is my life, and who are you to rule me and who are you to give me fucking suggestions? Your nose ring size is not less than a cycle tire. Good joke. You made me laugh. Thank you. What's your profession? What's my profession? I have many. Every day I'm not behaving so much, and sometimes because this is Saturday. Looking so hot and gorgeous. Dude, I have to leave. Can you touch your nose with your tongue? Can't. Do you interested in relationship? If you interested, then can I be your BF? Manjunath Ray. We'll try. Send your photos and details. What will you do and where are you staying and what is your height, weight, everything, so that I will think. Surely I will think. I swear, really. Apple Beauty. How people are so cool, looking like Rasgulla. Seriously. Eat me. Eat me right away. Eat me. Eat me, Ray. Eat me. Your lips so hot. I booked ticket for Malaysia. Come over here. Huh? You want me or I want you? You want me, right? You come to Hyderabad. I can't come to Malaysia. If I like, then I will come to Malaysia. Are you staying and what is your height, weight, everything? My height is 5.2 and my weight is 49 and my vital is 36 and 25 and 38. Recently little bit changed. I want to date with you, please. Krishna Chaitanya Degala. Krishna Chaitanya, I don't think you can. It's not an easy thing. For me, for making me happy and making me satisfied, it's very tough. I'm eating right now. You feel it? Madurai Dhoni. నువ్వు మదురైలో ఉండి ఏదో చేస్తే నాకు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది మదురై ధోని. ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ బెంగళూరు, వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ IT, height 6.1 and weight 65, athletic body. Is it okay? You are 6.1 and I'm 5.2. How can I match it? I can't. Sometimes it will be tough to handle you. Yes. Are you a 3 input girl? What does it mean? I didn't understand. What are you doing here? Where? I'm not there. I'm here. This offer from Kashmir. Oh, Kashmir aithe elra ayya babu. 36, 25, 38. Yes, that is OMG. You are gifted. Any tips to become sexy like you? So sexy and hot. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Oh my God, how many loves, how many times you love me. Hi, this is Tafsi Famdani. Okay, you are here. I still that looking his life of Wesley. You not tell one song by. Open-minded, I like that. So good, yaar. Manu, thank you. Hello, Bodho. I say, where are you from? Hello, Buddhu. I say, where are you from? Oh, Buddhu. I'm from Hyderabad, Buddhu. Hug me, Monu Thakur. Tightly hugging you, okay? I will do anything for you and trust me. Ooh. I love you, baby. Sit on David's face. If I sit, my ass is so weight so that I don't think he can manage my weight. My ass is tough to handle. Hi Reddy, how are you? आपका lips कैसा लग रहा है? I'm Ranjit from Mumbai. Hey Mumbai, how is Mumbai? I like your frankness and kind helping nature. That jaguar is still waiting for me. Sometimes I felt like I don't know how to impress a girl. Vinod, you don't need to do anything. You have to be very honest and you have to be very clear and you should be like a dumb. That's it. That's enough to make a, get a girl's impression. Can you show your ass? Definitely I will show you. After that you will die. Because it's very huge. I love you, my sweetheart, because first of all, I'm very hygienic person. Very, very, very hygienic. Shut up, you. I thought you were my boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. Suddenly, someone stopped my car, stopped the car next to my car. That's the reason. Of course, he is my ex. Shri Garu, you are looking so beautiful, gorgeous. But I'm also waiting for you, Venkat Pugiri. I'm very hygienic person, and also, I'm very possessive. And also, he should not be very possessive on me, but I will be. Beautiful expressions. I'm seeing it. Boo, can't see. What do you say? Think. Hey, Mumbai is missing you. Don't miss Mumbai. I'm coming very soon. Seriously, I'm coming soon. I wanted to shift from Hyderabad. I like to be a Mumbai girl. I have a white horse. I will give you because I'm middle class boy. I want to see you in big screen. I have everything big, but why I'm not coming on big screen? Because people who are there in the film industry, they don't have proper, what do you call, proper taste. They don't have proper taste. That's the reason they are missing me. And I don't know why that people are doing with the skinny bitches. That's $1 million question. I don't like skinny bitches. Do you have any younger sister? Yes, I have. I don't know, but I need you. I love you so much, Manjunath Ray. Hey, Manjunath, really, if you seriously need me, then try. We don't know what will happen. Use seat belt when you are driving. Arey, I'm using it already. See? Everyone having eyes on that scarf. Show it, Aishwarya. I will show it this one. Okay, for you, Aishwarya. Will you make a trip? Mysore ke Banipa. Bunny ante randi ani in Kannada. Bunny antaru. Bunny నిన్ను చూస్తే ఆగనంది చున్ని అన్ని కాదో అందుకోర కొన్ని అన్ని కాదు అందుకోర కొన్ని అల్లుడెప్పుడవుతామని అడుగుతుంది పిన్ని. Where is my teddy bear? Yeah, teddy bear antaru. Come once Bangalore, it's very nice place. Oh no, you come to Hyderabad. Remove the cap, yeah. Open your hair. I like your hair. తీసుకుని ఊరేసేసుకో. Very beautiful, love me. Show me your hair. ఇదిగో తీసుకో. ఎంత కావాలి? కొంచెం కట్ చేసి ఇమ్మంటావా? When will you come to Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu didn't invite me. I think I will make my career in Tamil Nadu so that you can see me every day or 6 months ki ఒకసారి ఒక సినిమా రిలీజ్ చేద్దాం. ఏమంటావు? Hi ma'am, where are you now? శాలిని. ఈ శాలిని ఎవరో తెలిసినట్టుంది. Hi శాలిని. I'm near to GVK. Are you friendship with me? Ritesh. Yes, I'm your friend Ritesh. Whenever you need my help, just ask me. I will be there for you. Being a sexy girl, do you felt jealous of any girl? Yes. And antan anukunnara? Seriously, no. I never ever jealous on someone. because I really blessed with everything, whatever I want. I'm pretty much happy with my career, pretty much happy with my properties, pretty much happy with my beauty, each and everything. I'm blessed. We have to satisfy. We should not ask the God each. Hi Jyoti. Jyoti is messaging me. Pellam uralte lo chesar kada Jyoti. I'm waiting in here. Okay guys, and I have to leave. It's time to move. And I hope you guys will enjoy this Saturday and Sunday. Enjoy this weekend with your girlfriends, with your family, with your one night standard, with your kill it, yeah, nail it. You have to enjoy your life. Only one life we have, and there is, as in, for anything, don't cry, okay? Don't cry, and don't stress yourself and release your stress, because weekends is only for the stress relief. So stress out, burst out and out. Bye. Good night. Chichi. Chilipi. Dongi. Eppudu good night naku. Have a great day, guys, and US guys, good night. And sexy kiss kavala.